How to delete a YouTube channel. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete a YouTube channel, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete a YouTube channel, open up your browser and then just go to studio.youtube.com. I repeat, studio.youtube.com. Whether you're from mobile or your laptop doesn't really matter. Once you go to studio.youtube.com and you log into your respective YouTube account, just look at the very bottom left of the screen. You'll find a little gear icon over there. So basically you'll find this little gear icon, which is a settings button. So you have to tap on settings. As you tap on settings here, you'll find many options where you have to go to channel. Under channel, you have to simply go to advanced settings. Under advanced settings over here, you'll find remove my YouTube content. Now in my case, you're not finding because I don't have a channel and this is just a generic account, but you'll find a delete my YouTube channel option. If you scroll down, it says remove YouTube content here. So you can tap on remove YouTube content option, and once you tap on remove YouTube content, it will take you to the page where you can verify it, and then you can basically choose to delete your YouTube account. This way you can go ahead and then basically choose to delete a YouTube channel. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.